In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store error code 0xc002001b. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first solution that you need to do is you need to clear the Microsoft Store cache. Press Windows key and R key together, type for WS reset.exe, then click on the OK button. Then wait until this procedure would be finished, and once you have done it, I want you to check if the error has been fixed, okay? But if not, then we need to proceed to the next solution. That is, you need to copy first the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Then you need to proceed here at the bottom search bar and type for PowerShell. So once you have typed the PowerShell, you need to wait until you can see a best match, which is the Windows PowerShell. And by that, you need to navigate to the right side and click for Run as Administrator. So please click on Run as Administrator, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So please copy the command and then paste it here at the Windows PowerShell. Control C to copy. Then once you have copied it, I want you to paste it to the Windows PowerShell. Make a right click to paste it. Click on the Enter key in your keyboard, and that way you can start the procedure. Once you have completed the process, restart your computer and check if the error has been fixed. Now that said, if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.